ही हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो लूसेंट हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे केमिस्ट्री, उसका चैप्टर नंबर 6 है सॉल्यूशन। ठीक है, सॉल्यूशन क्या होता है? अ होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर ऑफ टू और मोर प्योर नॉन रिएक्टिंग सब्सटेंसेस हुज कॉम्पोजिशन कैन बी वेरिड within certain limits are called solution. ठीक है, when solution is composed of only two components it is called a binary solution. सिर्फ दो components से बना solution को binary solution कहते हैं। और for example solution of NaCl in water. Similarly solution containing three components is called a ternary solution, or for example a solution of NaCl and KCl in वाटर। ठीक है, तो बाइनरी सॉल्यूशन में दो कंपोनेंट होते हैं जैसे कि सॉल्यूट और सॉल्वेंट। ठीक है, तो द component which is similar in proportion amount in smaller proportion or amount in solution is called a solute, while one present in excess is called a solvent. For example, in a binary solution of sugar in water, sugar acts as solute while water is the solvent. The better solvent is one which has high dielectric constant. Water is universal solvent because it has high dielectric constant. On the basis of states of matter, binary solution is classified as पहला क्या है, सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन, लिक्विड सॉल्यूशन और गैसेस सॉल्यूशन। ठीक है, सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन में क्या होता है, गैस सॉलिड, सॉल्यूट क्या होता है गैस, सॉल्वेंट क्या होता है सॉलिड। और एग्जांपल क्या है, हाइड्रोजन इन पैलेडियम। ठीक है, लिक्विड सॉलिड मरकरी इन जिंक एमलगम, सॉलिड सॉलिड वेरियस एलॉयज, गैस लिक्विड एरेटेड वाटर CO2 plus S2, लिक्विड लिक्विड अल्कोहल इन वाटर, सॉलिड लिक्विड शुगर इन वाटर, और गैस गैस एयर मिक्सचर ऑफ मेनी गैसेस, लिक्विड गैस ह्यूमिडिटी इन एयर, सॉलिड गैस आयोडीन वेपर्स इन एयर। सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन क्या होता है, सॉल्यूशन दैट कैन नॉट dissolve any more of the solute at a given temperature is called a saturated solution. ठीक है, unsaturated solution क्या होता है, solution in which more of the solute can be dissolved at a given temperature is known as such unsaturated solution. Supersaturated solution, a supersaturated solution at a particular temperature is one that is more concentrated, contains more solute than its saturated solution at that temperature. Dilute solution क्या होता है, it is the solution in which the amount of solute present is rather small compared to the mass of solvent. ठीक है, concentrated solution क्या होता है, it is the solution in which the amount of solute present is relatively large for a given mass of solvent. ठीक है, solubility क्या होता है, the maximum amount of solute in gram which can dissolve in 100 gram of solvent to form saturated solution at particular temperature is called solubility of that solute. ठीक है, solubility equals to mass of solute in gram upon a mass of solvent into 100. Solubility of the substance depends upon the nature of solute and solvent, temperature and pressure. Solubility of the substance increases continuously with increase in temperature if the process of dissolution is endothermic. For example, the dissolution of NaNO3, KNO3, NaCl, KCl in water is endothermic process, so their solubility increases with increase in temperature. ठीक है, if the process of dissolution is exothermic in nature, the solubility of a substance decreases with increase in nature. For example, the solubility of cerium sulfate, lithium carbonate, sodium carbonate, monohydrate, Na2CO3, H2O etc. decreases with increase in temperature. ठीक है, the solubility of Na2SO4.10H2O first increase up to 32.4 degrees Celsius and then begins to decrease. So 32.4 degrees Celsius is the transition temperature. ठीक है, ये उसका केमिकल रिएक्शन है। Solubility of a gas decreases with increase in temperature because dissolution of a gas in a liquid is exothermic in nature. Pressure has very little effect on the solubility of a solid in a liquid because solids and liquids are highly incompressible. Solubility of a gas in a liquid increases with increase in pressure. Effect of pressure on the solubility of a gas in liquid was studied by Henry in 1890 and is called as Henry's law. It states that the mass of a gas dissolved in a given volume of the liquid at constant temperature is directly proportional to the pressure of the gas present in equilibrium with liquid. ठीक है. True solution is a homogeneous solution in which size of solute particles is less than 10 to power minus 9 meter. In true solution, the solute particles and solvent molecules cannot be distinguished even under a microscope. For example, sodium chloride in water. Suspension क्या होता है? Suspension is a heterogeneous solution in which the size of solute particles is more than 10 to power minus 6 meter. The particles of suspensions are visible to naked eyes or under microscopic. Colloidal solution क्या होता है? Colloidal solution is a heterogeneous solution in which size of a particle of dispersed phase lies between 10 to power 9 meter to 10 to power minus 6 meter. The colloidal particles can pass through ordinary filter paper but cannot pass through animal membrane. ठीक है. The colloidal particles cannot be seen by naked eye but they can be seen by ultra microscope. Example, milk, gum, blood, ink, etc. Dispersion system क्या होता है? A system consisting of a substance distributes as very small particles of a solid, droplets of a liquid, or teeny bubbles of a gas in a suitable medium is called a dispersion system. The distributed substance is called a dispersed phase, whereas the medium in which it is dispersed is known as dispersion medium. Salts. The colloidal system with solid as dispersed phase and liquid as dispersion medium are known as salts. Rubber gloves are manufactured from rubber salts by the process of electroplating. Aerosols. The colloidal system with solid or liquid as dispersed phase and gas as dispersion medium are known as aerosols. In smoke, the dispersed phase is solid and dispersion medium is gas. In fog, dispersed phase is liquid and dispersion medium is gas. When dispersion medium is water, alcohol, or benzene, then aqueous solution or hydro solution, alcohol or benzosol respectively. Foam क्या होता है? Foam is a colloidal solution in which dispersed phase is gas and dispersion medium is liquid. ठीक है. Brownian movement. The continuous zigzag movement of colloidal particles in the dispersion medium in a colloidal solution is called Brownian movement. It is due to unequal bombardment of the moving particles of dispersion medium on colloidal particles. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्या है? Tyndall effect. ये important है. Tyndall effect कहते हैं when a beam of light is allowed to pass through a colloidal solution, the colloidal particles can be seen. This effect is called Tyndall effect. The Tyndall effect arises due to scattering of light by colloidal particles present in a colloidal solution. ठीक है. जब एक बीम ऑफ लाइट को अलाउ किया जाता है, पास किया जाता है थ्रू अ कोलॉइडल सॉल्यूशन, द कोलॉइडल पार्टिकल्स कैन बी सीन. जो उसमें कोलॉइडल पार्टिकल्स होता है उसमें दिखाई देता है. ठीक है. दिस इफेक्ट इज कॉल्ड टिंडल. उस इफेक्ट को टिंडल इफेक्ट कहता है. डायलिसिस. द प्रोसेस ऑफ सेपरेटिंग द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ colloids from those crystalloids by diffusion of mixture through animal membrane or parchment membrane is known as dialysis. It is the process of purification of colloidal solution. ठीक है. Coagulation. Flocculation. The colloidal particles are either positively or negatively charged particles. When an electrolyte is added to colloidal solution, the particles of the colloidal solution take up the positively charged ion of the added electrolyte and get neutralized. The ion responsible for the neutralization of charge on colloidal particles is called the coagulating ion or flocculating ion. The process is called as coagulation. Electrophoresis. The movement of colloidal particles towards electrodes under the influence of an electric field is called electrophoresis. The positively charged colloidal particles move towards cathode and negatively charged colloidal particles move towards anode. ठीक है. यहाँ तक तो सॉल्यूशन ख़त्म हुआ. अब नेक्स्ट चैप्टर क्या पढ़ेंगे हम लोग? एसिड, बेसिस एंड साल्ट्स. चैप्टर नंबर 7 होगा और ये इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर होगा. ठीक है. Till then, like, share and subscribe and have a good day and take care of yourself. बाय बाय।